Hello, this is Derek Wilson, and in this segment I'm going to show you how to add a column to an existing table in Power BI and use that for your visualization. So that you can see here my gross margin percentage is coming in as 4.76. I actually want to show that as an actual percentage. So what I want to do is add a new column. And to do that, I'm going to go to the Modeling tab, click on that, and then I'm going to hit New Column. In my new column, I'm going to call this GM percentage, and that's going to equal my gross margin percentage divided by 100. Now I've got it's referencing this column, dividing it by 100 gives me 0.0467, that's what I expected. And now I'm going to format that with the percentage sign. And now I've got 4.76%. Much easier for my users to understand what that is compared to the 4.76. So this is just a really quick way to show you how to use the model format of a percent, as well as adding in a DAX formula by creating a title. Now when I go to build a report, I'm available to use that as a percentage. Please let me know if you have any questions.